Now we will have a look on HTML links. Control K, Control C. Links are found in nearly all web pages. Links allow users to click their way from one page to another page, and you can click on a link and jump to another document. When you move the mouse over a link, the mouse arrow will turn into a little hand. So let's have a look on how we can create the link tag. So this is, you have to tap A and then tab, and here you have to put the URL link. So suppose we put https google.com, and here you put link text. So link text is visible on the page, you can see, but what is behind that text you can see underneath here, you see here. So if I change the text, bring me to Google page, so you see the text is changed, bring me to the Google page. If I click on this page, if I click on this link, it will navigate me directly to google.com. have a look, you see. So this is how you can create a link. Right. And if you want to create a link, internal link, like a local link, for example, specified with the URL, relative URL without HTTPS, for example, we create a new page. Let's create page1.html. okay, so again this exclamation mark and tab, there you go, our page is already created. Now change the name as page1, put a heading of h3, tab page1. okay, so to make sure if that page has been created, right click, open with live server, and that page is there. okay, you can see this is the live page. Now what we have to do, we have to link this page. So again, let's create a tag of ahref. Let's if you want to see what pages are available here, you just have to press on Control and spacebar. You will see these are the pages which are accessible. So let's click on the page one, and you can type the text you want. Go to page one, you see. Let me put the break here, break line. Okay, there you go to the page one. So if I click here, we will go directly to the page one, you see. Now we have interlinked, so from one page to another page on our website or in our network, you can say that. Click back on the back button, so go to page one, we will go directly to page one. So this is how you can create HTML links.